Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to rename a fingerprint profile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on home security and privacy. Now in security and privacy, scroll down and click on biometrics and then click on fingerprints. Now enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern and then click on your fingerprint profile name, and now click on this backspace key to remove your previous fingerprint profile name and then enter the new name. Now after entering new name, click on save, and now you can see the fingerprint profile is renamed. So that's how you can rename a fingerprint profile in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.